Is your phone acting up? Laptop running slow? Or maybe your gaming console isn't delivering the action like it used to? Don't worry, WinCell has you covered. We specialize in fast, reliable repairs for all your devices. From smartphones and tablets to computers, gaming consoles, and even drones. Need something more advanced? We're experts in micro-soldering, a rare skill here in Conroe. So don't wait. Bring your device to WinCell, conveniently located right here in Conroe, Texas. Call us today at 936-224-000046. Get your tech back on track with fast, reliable service. Guaranteed.